subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. 12 ways to use vinegar for cleaning around your house. Recently, many people are trying to live a better and healthier lifestyle. By cutting down chemical products on a daily basis is a great way to do so. Did you know that you can use vinegar to clean almost anything throughout your house? Vinegar is an eco-friendly item you can use to replace those chemical products in your home. The best vinegar for cleaning is white distilled vinegar because it doesn't contain a coloring agent, so it won't stain any surfaces. Vinegar is one of the most versatile ingredients in your pantry, not just for cooking. Also, it can be used for household cleaning as well. Here are multiple ways to use vinegar. 1. Freshen and clean a coffee maker. Freshen and clean your automatic coffee maker by filling the reservoir with vinegar and then running it through a brewing cycle. Follow this up by running a rinse cycle of water. Please check the manual for instructions for your particular make. 2. Clean and deodorize your microwave. Fill a bowl with half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes and leave it with the door shut for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the bowl and wipe the inside of the microwave down with a paper towel. The moisture from the boiling solution will loosen the splattered food and make it much easier to remove. 3. Clean brass, copper, and pewter. Mix 1 teaspoon salt and a half of cup of vinegar and add enough flour to make a paste. Rub onto the brass and leave it for 10 minutes. Then rinse and dry with a clean cloth. 4. Glass cleaner. You can forget about using the window cleaners from the stores. Use vinegar to make your glass cleaner. The most effective way to clean windows is to combine 1 part of water with 1 part of vinegar. Put it in a spray bottle and spray it on the windows. Dry the window with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Your windows will sparkle and be streak-free. 5. Toilet. Remove stubborn toilet bowl stains by spraying them with vinegar. You can also add 3 cups of vinegar to your bowl to help deodorize it. Let it sit for 1.5 hours and clean with a toilet brush for a fresh-smelling bowl. 6. Laundry. Stay away from dark vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is a great choice for removing stains and fabric odor. Just add 1 cup of vinegar to the wash cycle. 7. Fabric softener. Do you have baby clothes that aren't as clean and soft as they used to be? Add 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle of the load the next time you wash. The vinegar will help break down uric acid and soapy residue. Clothes will come out soft and fresh. 8. Faucets. To clean faucets, mix 2 teaspoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt to remove calcium deposits on faucets and fixtures. This solution can also remove hard water stains from shower heads. To remove stubborn stains, spray fixtures and faucets with vinegar and then cover it with a zippered plastic sandwich bag. Leave it overnight. Scrub and rinse the next morning. 9. Showers and tubs. Spray undiluted white vinegar over tub and shower walls. Let it sit for several minutes, then scrub and rinse away. For a tough grime, just combine baking soda and vinegar to create a paste and scrub it away. 10. Floors. Vinegar also makes a great floor cleaner, but you can use only on certain types of floors. Do not use vinegar on hardwood and natural stone floors because the natural acid in vinegar can ruin the floor. Maintaining a no-wax linoleum floor. Combine a half a cup of vinegar to a half a gallon of water. To clean ceramic tile, add a half a cup of vinegar to 1 gallon of water. 11. Dishwasher. Just 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle in order to break through soap scum in a dishwasher, and let the dishwasher run until finished. 12. Countertops. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. It can clean and disinfect countertops after food preparation. For stubborn stains, add a few drops of soap to 1 part water and 2 parts vinegar. Vinegar can also eliminate odors from countertops. But do not use on granite or marble tops. The acid in vinegar can damage the smooth and shiny surfaces. Reducing the chemicals we use in our house has never been easier. It doesn't require buying multiple products in order to keep our home safe and healthy. All it takes is a bottle of vinegar and a little know-how. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.